What's up, Squeaky Dolls fam? It's your girl Squeaky, and I am back with another video. And today, baby, is the day I get them kids again with another prank. So I hope y'all enjoying what y'all seeing, baby, because I told y'all, even though I got work, they don't got school, so it's all grinding, no sleeping. You feel me? I'm not letting up till somebody get me back. And I tell them all the time, it don't count if it ain't on camera, period. If you get me and you don't get it on camera, then it don't count. However, today I am on my way. I do not wear makeup at all. You know, like I could. You know, like my form of makeup is lip gloss, eyeliner, and a little bit of it don't take much to, you know, make up a face. Like my skin is actually weird, so I don't want to break out. However, I'm about to get some makeup today, and I'm about to get these big earrings. I don't even know how to make up myself. You feel me? Like, I don't know how. So I'm gonna put on a whole bunch of lip gloss, and no, I'm gonna put on some lipstick. But I'm about to get ready. I'm trying to still figure it out as I get myself to work and get settled in and all of that. I'm gonna sit down and think of how I'm about to do this. But I'm about to put on makeup as we're going to top off, lipstick and all. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Share us. If you watching this, subscribe to the channel. And yes, I'm yelling at you. Yes, I am. You want to know why? Because you're watching, but you're not subbing. Nobody can see you. Even if you want to sub in secrecy, just become a sub in secrecy. All you got to do is just hit the little notification thing. Hit the little subscribe button. Hey, okay, Squeaky House fam, I'm back. I went to Dollar Tree, y'all. I don't know shit about makeup. So make sure y'all spam those comments down below as to how you get this stuff off. Okay? I gotta go get me some big earrings. I'm gonna go to a hair store. But I got this. This. That's lip gloss. I don't wear that. I got a headband, even though I got braids. I'm gonna be looking ghetto as hell. Okay? I got these nails, long as hell, but I ain't get no glue, so I gotta get some glue. And I got all of this stuff from Dollar Tree. And I got the biggest lashes that I seen in there. Okay? So make sure y'all stay tuned. Subscribe. Hit that little thing that's up there that says subscribe. Okay, it's the little thing. Actually, it's right here. It's going across my Nike chest. Subscribe to our channel, y'all. Subscribe, please. We on the road to 1,000, but we got to get to 500 first. Come on, help us get to 500 first. Y'all already know, cash giveaway, a live cash giveaway. So subscribe to the channel, man. What is y'all waiting on? Like, I'm confused as to what y'all waiting on. Subscribe to the channel. All right, y'all, in a minute. I'll be quiet. Okay, y'all. I got a couple kids in the car. It goes down. It goes down.
What's up, Squeaky Loud? What's up, y'all, man? It's your boy Nas. Toy King.
Y'all, I don't know nothing. Remember, y'all, I don't know nothing about this stuff. We on our way. Oh, Lord. They about to be mad at me, baby.
What? Look. You doing that fake makeup thing?
Mm-hmm. Looking like a clown. Looking like a clown with your pants falling down.
You need that brush.
Oh, I don't got no brush. Y'all, remember my headband? Oh, and the thing is too little. Heck, you know. You know. Oh, no, it ain't. Okay. Okay.
Man, you look like a party doll.
I don't even know if this the right stuff. I know this ain't the right color because I look peach.
She's speed.
Yes, that is. Oh my God. Y'all see me though?
It looks like a face mask. Why you like a clown already?
What are you doing?
Here, open up some big. Give me the biggest earrings.
The biggest one?
Mm-hmm.
Why you trying to look ratchet?
Ratchet hand like a clown woman band falling down.
Yeah. What you feel? Hey, act ratchet.
She is ratchet. Ratchet.
So how you gonna? I'm confused on how you gonna put the lights down?
I ain't putting them lashes on. I ain't gonna try it.
The biggest one.
Ooh wee. Look at these, y'all. This thing's huge.
You're huge. You're the last ones. Not those ones.
Yeah, the last
big
ones. Extremely large.
mega
Earrings.
Ooh, they about to be sore to the teeth. Oh, hold on, y'all. Hey, y'all, I got my earrings in.
Looking ratchet.
I supposed to got all of y'all, you feel me? Man, I'm gonna get this stuff y'all waiting on me. We gonna be late. D is still asleep.
Look, when mommy turn around, y'all gonna feel so embarrassed. Look. Just look at it. Oh, see the hoops?
107, 108. Come on.
No. What are you doing?
Oh, you don't know me?
Come on.
You don't mind.
Go back. No, you took it.
Go get it out the car.
Oh man.
Look at that car. Hurry up.
Oh man, here.
No.
Record this. Record.
Bro, look at this goofy. I'm gonna take it off. I just want to get. I really want to get. Come on,
Y'all, we are leaving Top Golf. We hope y'all enjoy our video vlog and everything else. Baby, make sure you send a friend. Subscribe to the channel. Squeaky Loud House. Told y'all nothing but videos after, you know, school let out or whatever the case may be. So, like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend. Tell 100 or tell 200. We out. Squeaky Loud House. Peace out.